Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and look what I've got for sale. It's a Moto Guzzi V9 Bobber Sport. Really different is this. If you're looking for something that stands out from the crowd, this is the bike for you. Great engine, 850cc engine on this. This one's a 69 plate, 2019. It's only done 178 miles. Got your different modes just on the left hand side, so you can go through the different bits of information on there. Also, they come with ABS and traction control. Just show you the dials there on top. Just go through them. There we go. Yeah, mega. Right, I'm going to give it a quick start up as well. Rocking with all that torque in that engine. Mega bike, Ohlins rear suspension there as well. It is kitted out, is this gorgeous, finished off in the satin orange. Anyway guys, you've seen this bundle of joy. All you need to do, get in contact with us, get it bought, get it on your drive. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.